We're going to look here at the syllabus review for Math 127 Pre-Calculus 2, Section 4321, which is the Jumpstart section. Okay, my name is Jeff Downs. There's my email address. My office on the Carson campus is Cedar 303. My office phone number is 775-445-4298. My office hours are Monday, Wednesday, 9:30 to 11 a.m. in the office. I have class that starts at 11 down the hall. And then on Tuesday, it's from 10 to noon. And that's online only. Let me put only here. The office day, I'll also have Zoom open. So both days I'll have Zoom open. And there's a link for the Zoom in the Canvas modules. Okay, prerequisite Math 126. I assume you've all had that. Most of you, I believe, are coming from my Math 126 class. Course description studies circular functions, trigonometric identities, and equations, conic sections, complex numbers, and discrete algebra. Our course objectives upon completion of the course. I'm not going to read all that. You can go ahead and read it. But that's the course objectives as taken from the learning outcomes for the college. And then our transferability should transfer with another INSHE institution. And I may transfer to schools outside of the INSHE system. And how it applies to the college mission. Apply mathematical analytical problem solving skills through the use of polynomial, exponential, logarithmic functions. Actually, that's not quite right, because that's one for 126. So hang on a second. Okay, how about that? Apply mathematical analytical problem solving skills through the use of trigonometric functions, the application of laws of sines and cosines, and the application of conic sections. Yay. Provide instruction that contributes to a student's ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically, and apply computational skills. Textbook. So it's going to be a continuation of the 126. We're using the Lumen material again. Pre-calculus by J. Abramson. This time we're doing, I believe is it chapters? I think it's 7 through 11. Okay. So same thing as before. You'll need to get an activation code for the book. Either purchase it from the bookstore or other places. And there's a 14-day free trial, so you can get working today on the material. Okay, students should have access to a textbook and a scientific or graphing calculator. Now I have next to me the TA84 for the class, but you'll see when I'm doing work, especially with the videos, I use Desmos quite often because it's there. It's something I could do on the computer and screenshot it, record the screen like I'm doing right now. Our grading scale is pretty standard there. Homework, we're doing 40% practice problem, the homeworks, which is practice problems, and then exams or the module quizzes are 60%. Okay, so homework, practice problems, all homework assignments are on the Lumen website. Well, Lumen website, I'm going to add to that accessed through Canvas. So you don't have to go someplace else. You just do it on the site. The homework is completed through the practice activities. You may, they call it practice. You may access the assignments tab. You may access them in the assignments tab. Let's just fix that. Them in the assignments tab under the modules or the course summary. Now I'm a guy who just does the goes in the modules for everything, but I can see if students do the assignments tab. What you miss there is in the modules, I have those lessons. So if you watch the tour, the Canvas tour, I have lesson videos I've made in there. So if you want to see those lessons that I've made, you can go to the modules and see that. Or the course summary, which is like if you go to the syllabus, you'll see the summary of the course and all the assignments. The exams, each module ends with a quiz, which is your exam for the module. They call it a quiz. Quizzes can be found in the assignments tab. The modules are course summary, same thing. Grading of coursework assignments completed on Lumen OHM are automatically graded by that program, and the final grades are recorded by that program, are transferred to the Canvas gradebook. The official grade record for this course is a Canvas gradebook, not the gradebook on Lumen OHM. If you feel so, because I weight them, it's a 60% for the exam part and 40% for the homework part. And by the way, there are late passes you can use to access stuff if something you want to redo an assignment or you got a little bit behind. I don't want you to get super behind, though. That works really against you. If you feel a problem was misgraded, please let me know so I can review the issue. There's no extra credit for the class, but you can work the assignments, and there are late passes available if you need them. You'll need to use laptop, computer, or handheld device. And I don't understand. Maybe I'm just an old person. I don't understand using a handheld device and doing a class like this. I like having something bigger, work things out, and see videos. So, okay. This is an online class, so we're not meeting in person or we're meeting on a regular schedule. So there is something you have to do by the first week of class. You have to do the syllabus quiz and the OHM tutorial. So you need to do these assignments so that I can record that you were present in class for the federal financial aid requirement. Ethics statement: no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating and attempting to cheat or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Please use proper etiquette when making postings. So I don't really have etiquette tips anymore, so why don't we just delete that line? I don't make postings required anymore. I did make it required, but I really got tired of so many students not doing postings till like the last day or two. And so it's really ineffective to do 9 postings in one day. It should be through the semester. It really should be a posting a week, if I could be honest with you. You should be actively engaged that way. But I'm just not going to fight with that. Grade appeal is going to be made to J.W. Lazari. By the way, when I did my... I'm not going to... Sorry, I'm getting digressing too much. Here's a disability statement. Please feel free to read that. If you have an accommodation that needs to be met, please, you can talk to me about it. But for anything official, I have to get something from their office. So there's a link to go to register your disability. And then they'll work with me. So JW is the acting or the interim director for our division. And then Dr. Ryan is the vice president of academic and student affairs. So if there's a bigger issue, you need to elevate it, that's the person you're going to go to. Here are important dates for the class. These are for full-term classes. Please do not rely on this for your making a big decision about your classes. Because maybe I got something wrong, maybe I typed it in wrong, whatever. Make sure you confirm with the college calendar. And then here's the schedule for the class. I do not think this is that onerous. And I say that coming from having just taught the 126, where I feel like there's so much we covered. In this class, I mean, we're looking at 4 sections in 7, 4 sections in 8, looks like 6 sections in 9, 8 sections in 10, and then there's only 3 sections in 11. So it's really not that bad. And I give you the dates, the due dates for things. These are the days we're going to do them. You'll see the due dates in Canvas. But you should be doing these assignments on these dates. You should be getting in there, doing the lessons, and so on. And then Module 7 quiz, Module 8 quiz, Module 9 quiz. So this is Module 10 starts there. Module 10 quiz, Module 11 quiz. And then, I'm just going to delete this here. So that's roughly it. In fact, I should probably move this over to here. So that way you have an assignment on finals week. Okay. Finishing up down here, sections to be covered. I just talked about that. These are the sections we're covering for each module. For each section, there's homework. For each module, there's a quiz. And that's about it, I believe. If you have questions, please reach out to me. And I'm really looking forward to the semester. I really enjoy working with the high school students, especially in Jumpstart like this, because you seem very motivated. And I'm really hoping that this helps you out as you get ready for college. I mean, you're taking college classes, but to graduate high school and to go on to the next phase of your life. Okay, I will see you online. Bye.